Hi there, this is my Tamiya remote control forklift that I've converted to RC. I bought this off eBay and it comes in this box. So Tamiya remote control forklift, and it comes as a kit, and you have to cut all the pieces off the plastics part tree and then screw it all together and build it. It's originally controlled by this controller and it's corded, so it's not that great. So that's why I've converted it to RC, and it doesn't have proportional controlling with this controller. The controller that I'm using is a Spektrum Dx6i, and it's been really good. So I've got a little beacon on top, and that's from Hobbyking, and I can control it on my controller with this switch here. So when I flick this switch, I've got it set up so you can go through the different modes on the beacon. So that's pretty cool. And it's just got little LED lights in it. And you can turn it off, yep. So there's that. At the moment I've just got the battery and my low voltage buzzer just sitting on top because I've only just worked this out and built it. Because I'm still trying to work out how to fit it underneath. But underneath I have a orange RX receiver. Again, this is from Hobbyking. That's just held in with tape at the moment. I have a BEC to convert from my battery, which is a 2S LiPo, and it's just a 500 milliamp one. So since the 2S is 7.4 volt, my BEC's a output of 5 volts and 5 amps, and that seems to be working really well. The ESCs that I'm using to power the motors under the seat here, they're ESCs out of some Hobbyking servos, just the standard cheap servos, and I've just taken the boards and the potometers out of them. And you can see the potometers, that some of them are actually sitting right over here, down in there, and they've just got hot glue once I found the center point. The motors are still the original motors that came with it, and I think they're rated to 3 volts. So I've only just built it and put it together, so that's why it's only got cardboard on top, just holding it with tape. And same with all the electronics that are just sitting there. And this canopy I haven't pushed down properly yet, because it presses in. I was just playing with it. Yep. So I'll just show you how I've controlled it. Battery can just sit there. So on my controller, I've used the V-tail mixing for the drive motors, which are just using the 2 servos from 2 ESCs from servos, and it just drives off this stick here. You just push it where you want to go pretty much, and it works really well. So to go up and down, I've got it on this one. And it's actually surprising how high the boom goes. So and that's my Tamiya remote control forklift I converted.